Up next is Dr. Chi-Hsiu Liang, postdoctoral research fellow at the Taiwan National Cheng University. Dr. Liang has extensive work experience in software development, HPC, biology, and gas phase chemistry. During his time at the University of Leeds as a postdoctoral fellow, Dr. Liang helped develop an open source gas kinetics program called MESMER that is still actively in progress, with many publications having benefited from the project. Today, Dr. Liang will share NCKU's experience, achievements, and learning lessons made during past student HPC and AI cluster competitions. Dr. Liang, you may begin.
Hello.
We hear you.
Okay, yes. Thank you. Thank you for inviting us to talk in this event. We all know that the COVID-19 is spreading in the world, so it's very good that we can do an online talk. In this talk, I won't cover too much protocol skills, and I will focus on how we train the students. And we don't have much money, only have some old clusters in our group, so we are struggling to attend next few competitions. Okay, so I'm going to talk about our first competition for these students to attend. In 2015, the summer, a group of students find us, hope we can train and guide them for the competition. After discussion, since we have some computational resources in our group, students resolve for our help, and they decide to work in the evening after their lecture time. Of course, for the process, the students are really tiresome because all the time after their lecture time, and they still have to study, and they need in very short time to get into condition. Even especially they are the freshmen of Department of Engineering Science. So we start to teach them from Linux, and which is very basic. And because all of their interest and scope is different, they are from different labs in our department. Some are in radio, some are in mechanical engineering, whatever. So when we train them, we need to inspect them for a period, and then according to every student characteristic, we will distribute different jobs in the work. So this is first competition they took. Yeah, the team name is called T-Flops and the YKHLVM. We sent 2 teams. Okay, this is when they are in competition. It is interesting that this is the first time the students to get in touch with InfiniBand, because in our group there was no InfiniBand switch at that time. So before they attend the competition, they repeatedly study how InfiniBand switch work and study the manual. During the competition, other group of students, because they are so experienced, they attend the competition for many years. They even were in work with the computing center. So some of the students went to have lunch, and only 1 or 2 students were left in the booth. But our students are one by one looping in the booth to try to solve the problem. And it was interesting that they got champion at that time. This is the first time we attend the competition, and they got the champion, the T-flop team. So we were amazed. We were amazed about their devotion into the competition. They're really doing a lot, spend a lot of time. Okay, and then the way we train the students, this is probably what we really want to mention about, because engineering science department is a very diverse department. It doesn't specifically say what kind of engineering science we really want to focus on. In Professor Huang's group, we starting from a very small object like atom, quantum mechanics, to a very large science scope like universe. We cover a little bit of each part. So in the beginning of the training to the student, we will start from the theorem of the topic, and then we try to introduce them how to optimize the hardware and software parameters, and separating them into different groups. We challenge various related competition topics to the students, and we simulate different competition scenarios to the student and try to make them make them compete with each other, and then they will start to develop the team tactics understanding. So of course we in the end of every training we will give them some relax, and this is the scene of our training to the student. Okay. Yeah, this is the way we train students. They gather in one room. They can discuss, and because they are sophomore and the freshmen, so they can even teach each other about the lecture in the evening. So it is a very open environment. They can do anything they want to do. Okay, this is what I said about the scope of our education to the students. We cover from the quantum chromodynamics and the quantum electrodynamics, and also the gravitativity in the far right up end. And there are a lot of different open source scientific software packages, of course, and these software packages cover different parts of the science. Yeah. Okay. And these are software we organized that have appeared in different year of competition. HPL, HPCG, and blah blah blah. We all in the training we give these softwares to students for them to train one by one, and so it is a very tedious process. The students are really having pressure under these software packages. And this is how we do the relax with them. Okay, this is the result of our competition. As you can see, we in the beginning we didn't change YARN file in very largely. After that, we find that the result is not under expectation, so we try to find the way to change the data of YAML. Yeah, probably this. Yeah, I don't get involved to these parameter adjustments, so I really cannot talk too much about these things. The role I was doing is I give suggestions and I find data for the team, find some resources for the team. Okay. Yeah, these are some results of our competition. And also we attend in 2019 ISC in Germany. All the students are from Department of Engineering Sciences. Thank you. Yeah, this is my talk.